So this is Desmos. Desmos is a really nice graphing calculator tool. It's got a lot of different examples of things that people have done on it in the back, but I'm going to show you what I use it for. So what I like to use Desmos for is writing problems for me. So if I'm ever too lazy or too much in a rush, I like to just come on here, write something simple, and let it write a program for me. So for example, if I were to have x plus a, x plus b, and I can add a slider for those two. Boom, I have a nice little parabola. And this will show me what the parabola looks like. But I want to know what a plus b is and what a times b is. Because this is that quadratic up there is the same thing as x squared plus b, x plus a. So you can see they're exactly the same, and as I move the slider around, they stay perfectly in sync with one another. Very nice. And what's really nice about this is I can change this to whole numbers, and then I can just hit play, and it'll show me all the different quadratics I could get, as well as all the numbers here that change, and then I can do the same thing here. Get a whole bunch of different combinations of numbers. That way, when I have kids working problems, I can have them come on here, or I can use this to write the problems for me. So I know what my number here needs to be, and I know what my number here needs to be, without having to worry about it being a fraction or a decimal or an ugly little square root. And then you can also have kids look at this, write it themselves, and then see how the different things relate. For example, A is a positive 7, but the answer here is negative 7. And B is a negative 3, but the answer is positive 3. Because with quadratics, things like to flip around. But that is a different lesson for a different day.